There's something magical about nude makeup. I've always felt that using colors that are slightly lighter and slightly darker than one's skin tone defines facial features in the most flattering way. Sounds like something you want to try? Well, here I am. Hi guys, I'm Smriti and today I'm going to show you a super duper easy, wearable, soft nude makeup. Before that, go ahead and subscribe to the Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's start by prepping the eyelids. Dab a bit of concealer, blend it out, and then dab some loose powder. For this soft nude eye look, I'm using my favorite eyeshadow palette ever. This is the Lakme Absolute Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette in Smoke and Glam. It is such a versatile palette, like I can transition from soft daytime nude makeup to a nighttime glam in a jiffy. All I need is this palette right here. Start off by dipping into this salmon color using a fluffy blending brush. Apply it right above the crease area to create a transition. While applying, use windshield wiper motions. Next up, mix these two earthy tone colors on a tapered blending brush and apply it on the eyelids. This gives my eyes a warm wash of colors. For the lower lash line, take a smudger brush and then mix both the earthy tone shades again and just rim the lower lash line. For the lower waterline, I'm going to use a Kajal. I'm using this Kajal right here, the Lakme Iconic Insta Cool Kajal. Lightly rim the lower waterline. This feels super cool when applied on the waterline area thanks to the cucumber extract. Plus, the color payoff is intense black and it doesn't smudge. What more can you ask from a Kajal? Now I'm going to wear some falsies. But this is optional because the mascara that I'm going to use will give you a false lash effect as it is. So this is the one that I'm talking about. It's the Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara in black. It is smudge proof and waterproof and has a smart curl brush that lifts the natural lash band to create a voluminous effect. Ensure that there are no odd gaps between the natural lashes and the fake ones. Now for the skin, I'm using a CC cream because I want to keep the base skin-like. So this is what I'm using today. It's the Lakme 9 to 5 Complexion Care CC Cream with SPF 30. It is going to conceal, moisturize, provide sun protection and create an even toned skin-like finish. Just dot it all over the face and neck area and blend it into the skin using a beauty sponge. Should you notice skin imperfections peeking through the base, dot a little extra on those areas for added coverage. Now let's add some color. Let me show you the lip product that I've been loving lately. This, by the way, is a staple in my beauty stash. It's called the Lakme Absolute Precision Lip Paint in Alluring Nude. This is a beautiful nude shade, ideal for this look, and it will work well on different skin tones. It comes with a handy lip brush and the formulation is velvety matte. Using the brush, I'm going to create a line on the periphery of my lips. This basically acts as a lip liner. Then fill the entire lip area. With that, the lips are done. But now I'm going to use this lip color as a blush. The blush application technique is one that creates a sun-kissed effect. All you got to do is apply the blush from cheek to cheek. Use a beauty sponge to blend it into the skin for a soft finish. Okay, I'm done. It's time to cue the beauty shots. Here we go. So guys, how did you like this wearable soft nude makeup look? If you want to purchase any of the products that I've shown in this video, then check out the description box below. Before you go, like and share this video and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel. Last but not least, ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos and I'll see you in the next one.